Alright, we rode our bike to Tarpon Bay Road Beach Park. Parking lot is closed, but the beach is still open. I don't know if you can hear. I'll walk up a little bit. Please walk your bike. So, this parking lot is closed. And there's a sign that says City of Sanibel, stay 6 feet apart. Yeah, that's a bike rack up there. It's not like I don't know where the parking lot was. I don't know because there's 3 handicap spots. So don't know. It's a nice. We have not been here before. This is new to us. They have a nice little feet washing station, bike rack, picnic tables, blizzards. Alright, we're gonna go see what this beach is like. I'm still excited about seeing an alligator on our bike ride. Don't normally see alligators, so very cool. Let me park my bike. Park the bikes. Now we're walking out Tarpon Bay Beach. It is high tide. Water is pretty rough today. If you were surfing, it'd be good surfing weather. A couple people walking. There is a parking lot across the street, but it is locked. This is the end of May 2020 right now. So this is what the beach looks like. Social distancing. Public beach area. The beaches are currently open on Sanibel. It's just the parking lots that are not. We are at Tarpon Bay Beach. Gonna walk, see if there's some shells. I have not been to Tarpon Bay Beach before. It's just down a couple miles from where our hotel is at. It is currently high tide, so not the best time to go shelling, but maybe we'll find something. Bag and the water just leaked all over me. That was Tarpon Bay Beach. I have to say I liked it. I had not been there before as many times as we've been to Sanibel. It's very nice. Lots and lots of shells, so if you're here for shelling, but you're not staying all night, Tarpon Bay Beach. After June 1st, all the parking lots will be open. So by the time you watch this video, phase 2 will be in effect. Ooh, look at that lizard. And you'll be able to enjoy Tarpon Bay Beach. I definitely would come back.